We'll guide you through how to fix audio or sound not working in OBS. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got a couple of different fixes you can try for when audio or sound isn't working. Come to the bottom right of OBS and click on Settings, and come over to the left and select Audio. Now come into Global Audio Devices and Desktop Audio. And what you need to do is go and choose the device you're outputting your sound through on your computer. I'm using my speakers. And then go and choose your mic in mic auxiliary audio, which is your sort of how you speak, how it's captured. Make sure you click apply and press OK. Now come into audio mixer and make sure these are increased. If they're set to 0, that's why you can't hear anything. You may want to balance it so it doesn't drown out your mic too much. Also, if that isn't working, try coming into sources, clicking on the plus in the bottom left, and you can go and add your audio in here. You've got application audio capture for specific applications. Then you've got audio input and output capture. If you found this useful, then leave a like.